Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Dr. Han. You are watching Dr. Han's Pharmacy Classroom. In today's video, we are going to have a quick update on the latest vaccine development that is designed to effectively against the SARS-CoV-2 virus, i.e. the virus that is causing the current pandemic that is affecting everyone in the world. Now, in my channel, I cover contents related to pharmaceutical and biomedical sciences, as well as giving out tips and tricks of learning and review on courses that are available on different online platforms. If these are the topics that are interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel and also check out my other videos. And don't forget to give like. Now, without further talking, let's go to the content. Alright guys, this video is a quick update on the vaccine development that is effective against the SARS-CoV-2 virus, okay, the virus that's causing the COVID-19 pandemic. Alright, so first, I would like to have a disclaimer. Who is Dr. Han? Who am I? So there is a link down below, okay, if you are not my students in the school and wonder who am I, it's okay, there is a link to my official website that is outside of my university website and having a description of what am I, what I do outside of my full-time job, okay? So without further talking, let's really get into the content. Alright, let's look at the most promising SARS-CoV-2 vaccine so far here that is developed by the US company called Moderna. Now, of course, there are many development and trials going on around the world. China have one, UK have one that is going on. They showed, some type of a promising result. Now, we won't talk about those in this video. We'll talk about these in other or next couple few videos. And this one will focusing on this particular vaccines developed by the US company Moderna. Now, it is a messenger RNA-based vaccine, or mRNA vaccine, code name mRNA-1273. The first phase of study, phase 1 study has completed. They look at the safety of this vaccine, that is the major outcome. 45 healthy participants received 2 doses of the vaccines. None of them died. Okay, they are pretty safe, and the side effects are pretty mild from their report. All 45 participants also produced the antibodies that can bind against the particular virus. Okay, let's look at a small animation describing the timeline of development of this particular vaccine. All right, as early as in January 13th, okay, the sequence of this mRNA has been finalized, and 2 months later, the first dose of this vaccines were given. And another month later, in April, the US government awarded $483 million to accelerate this vaccine development. So there is a big backer behind this company, that i.e. the US government. All right, phase 2 study also it's submitted, okay, in the April timeline, and in May 1st, the company also signed a collaboration agreement with Lonza to produce at least, 1 billion doses per year after the approval. Right, so here is a interim report on the phase 1 data. Okay, I won't read about to you, but in a nutshell, the participants received 2 different doses. All right, the 25 microgram and 100 microgram doses, and all these doses successfully induced antibody in the participants, and they are quite well tolerated and safe in general, especially in the lower dose. The higher dose have a little bit fever there, but it is still safe. No one died from the study. No one was seriously hurt in the study. The dose is the basis for the further future study, that is the phase 3 study designed to look at the effectiveness. Okay, now in a little bit step back, in the mouse model that they did earlier, this vaccines effectively protected against viral replications in the animal's lung. All right, let's look at another timeline that's a little bit more of a future or an ongoing timeline of this vaccine development. So earlier, a couple weeks ago in May, okay, the FDA greenlighted the phase 2 study. Remember, they sent in a study agreement, designed in April. The FDA now is approved. Currently, it is under recruitment, under ongoing study between May and June. They are looking at having 600 healthy participants to do this study. And in July, if things goes well, the phase 3 will study in July and potentially have a this vaccines approved under the biological license applications in the FDA in early 2021. So that is the current vaccine developed timeline. So from start to this point, it's about a year. It is very fast. Now, it is very fast, but it also gives out some concern. So there is a vaccine survey, okay, that was done not too long ago, or that was published a couple of days ago, regarding the general receptiveness of the American people, and are they going to get this vaccine. So in this poll, okay, this poll is done by a pretty big poll company, and about a quarter of Americans, they summarize, are unsure about getting the vaccines. Okay, about 4,400 US adults took the surveys in 2 weeks ago, and only about 2/3, okay, saying that they are very or somewhat interested in the vaccines. And there are a good number of people that are not interested, not very interested at all. So what are the reasons? Why are the reasons for that? Now, about 50% of those that have little to no interest of getting vaccines worry about the vaccine development speed. Like I said, its proposing timeline is a year. That is unprecedented. Okay, that is so fast. But in this in related to this really we have to look at the reasons of why it is so fast. There is a huge amount of resources being put into this vaccine development, so to speed up the whole process. So but unfortunately, a lot of people don't know what is behind the scene. Okay, that I think that is the problem. Now, more than 40% thinks the vaccine is more dangerous than the disease itself. So it is the potential general misbelief, okay, of the vaccine that could be causing this type of reasoning. And 29% that of not very interested people would believe it would be more interested if the FDA approved it. Now, the fact is that FDA approved every vaccines in the US market. So that is a message that perhaps a lot of people that are not aware of. So as a pharmacy student or healthcare provider, what I think, okay, this is just personal opinion, okay, it doesn't represent anything, to tell the patients, really that every drug and vaccine need to be legally approved by the FDA. So if you are legitimately getting the drug, it is a approved drug product. So these informations perhaps are so common to you and I that you are listening in the field, but perhaps it is not for the average people out there. So that is a message we all need to get it out here. And also, all these drugs go through tons of trials. Okay, 3 trials I would say, but a lot of patients have to be participate to prove its safe and effectiveness. Okay, so the speed really have nothing to do on how the vaccine worked. If it works, if the data shows it is working, it is working. So these are the informations that we as healthcare provider or people in the field need to tell the people out there. Okay, so currently clinical trials are ongoing, so you need to let everyone know what is going on. All right, so it is in a nutshell. To learn more, you could go to the official website of the company and check out more information, and as well as looking at the full study there. I provide the link here in the video and also in the description down below. All right, so that is the end of today's quick update. Again, if you like this update on the COVID-19 vaccine video, please give me a thumbs up and check out my other videos. My channel covers on contents related to pharmaceutical, biomedical sciences, as well as review on courses that are online and giving out tips and tricks for learning. All right, if these are the interesting topic, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.